Hey, welcome back everybody to Altcoin Daily. My name is Aaron. In today's video, I'm going to share with you different charts and metrics. We're going to drill down on Bitcoin and ETH. We're going to get specific regarding when will the cycle top happen? How high could it go? I also want to update you on altcoin news, including them. I'm going to share with you what's going on with MakerDAO. We're going to talk about the huge milestone that Link has just achieved, Solana, and all our favorite altcoins just like usual. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. We drop one video every day, keeping you informed, news, opinion, perspective. Smash the like button if you appreciate us coming at you on a Sunday, and let's get into it. My highest probability Bitcoin top remains mid-December to end of January. My highest probability, as in other things could happen, but according to 4 different metrics, this remains the highest probability a Bitcoin cycle top mid-December to end of January. Let's go through these 4 one by one. Historic RVI angle. This is what we're looking at right now. This is the metric down here. And you can take a look at the 2013 cycle, 2017 cycle, and this cycle, the 2021 cycle, and you can see there was a midpoint where the historic RVI hit the top in 2013 and 2017, and it looks like that's happening in 2021 as well. Let's talk about trend-based Fibonacci time extensions. You can see 2013, 2017, this cycle, and according to the data, again, this is pointing to a cycle top right at the beginning of 2022. The third metric, final impulse steepness. This is what we're looking at right here. As you can see, every single cycle, as the Bitcoin bull market matures, the gains start to come a lot faster near the end, and the steepness gets accelerated, and eventually it tops out and the market turns. And right now, the top out point is again pointing into the first month of 2022, the final metric, low to peak lines. As in, let's take a look at a previous cycle. We could do the 2017 one, but that was a single peak cycle. A lot of people are comparing this cycle to the 2013 cycle, a double peak cycle. A lot of people are saying 2021 is a double peak cycle. And if you take a look at 2013, draw a line from the cycle bottom to the cycle top, you can see that the price actually touches right near the midpoint. It touches the line before the eventual cycle top. In 2021, we know the cycle low. We have yet to know the cycle top. If this is a similar midpoint like we saw in 2013, and we touched this line, that would indicate a cycle top will happen around the end of January 2022. Now, it doesn't have to happen like this. A top well into 2022, the lengthening cycles theory, would have to break all 4 of these metrics. Definitely possible, and I hope they do. A longer cycle, a slower grind up would be all around better. But if these metrics are accurate, understand that in the context of this cycle, we are here, which is equivalent to being here in 2017, which is equivalent to being here in 2013. And if these 4 metrics are correct, if the cycle top does happen in December or even getting into the end of January 2022, taking a look at all of that, plus just comparing the cycle to 2013 and 2017 in general, taking a look at the Fibonacci levels, understanding that Bitcoin is a better version of gold, and taking a look at what happened to gold in the 1970s, that puts us at a price of 200 to 300,000 Bitcoin. Looks almost programmed in. Do you put stock in this? What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. But why not, right? If it doesn't happen December or January, those prices are going to happen eventually, in my opinion, because Bitcoin is fundamentally strong. This is sound money in one chart. Bitcoin's issuance gets cut in half every 4 years. If supply just stays the same, because of supply and demand, price should go up. But I tend to think that demand is only increasing, especially because this is the first cycle where people truly understand that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency are here to stay. Combine all of this and understand that a major Bitcoin upgrade is only days away, about a week away. This is the first major upgrade that Bitcoin has had in over 4 years. Bitcoin soft fork days away as Taproot upgrade closes in. What will this do for the network? Taproot upgrade aims to improve the network's privacy, efficiency, and smart contract capabilities. This is going to be great for Bitcoin. And because of all this, a 200 and 300,000 Bitcoin is something that I think is very possible. I'm bullish on Bitcoin. I'm bullish on Ethereum. I'm bullish on quality altcoins. So let's talk about that. Ethereum and also Ethereum interoperators and competitors are also looking fundamentally strong in their own way. Check out this metric. ETH locked in smart contracts versus ETH just sitting in wallets, probably not moving. So ETH locked in smart contracts is up 70% year to date. This is what utility looks like. This is what utility looks like. I'm starting to think that ETH 2.0 might actually be a pretty big deal. Because understand that currently only 7% of the entire ETH network is currently staking. This is what that data looks like. More people now, more than ever, are currently staking Ethereum. This is bullish, yet still only 7%. However, they will likely start staking soon, or else they're risking missing out on tons of yield through Ethereum fees. Also understand that AVAX, Sol, and DOT already have 50% plus staked. This is Solana. Pretty cool. Also, very bullish metric for Ethereum. This has never happened before. Ethereum miners are now making more money than Bitcoin miners even before fees /EIP 1559. So Ethereum hash power is skyrocketing. Proof of stake is not yet around. It's still proof of work, and people are turning on their ETH miners. People are trying to get Ethereum. Besides that, the percentage of ETH held by the top 100 wallets is flirting with a new all-time high. Whales seem to be accumulating. Besides that, this is the time to get your transactions in. Ethereum's gas fees plummet while prices soar. Very bullish for Ethereum, very bullish for ETH interoperators. Let's get to some other altcoin news. Do we have any NEM fans watching the video right now? Now, I don't hold any NEM, but I do like NEM. They've made it past one full cycle. They're still building. The news is this. NEM announces its 7th hard fork named Harlock. The project team claims that after 6 years, NEM is coming out of beta and will be open source, so this surely is a big deal to the NEM community. Key takeaways are as follows. NEM's Harlock hard fork was announced today. NEM nodes will vote on whether or not to merge into a subchain of Symbol. NEM is known for pioneering the proof of importance consensus mechanism. In other news, MakerDAO. I know a lot of people like MakerDAO. It is a decentralized alternative to stablecoins, unlike USDT, unlike USDC, which are centralized stablecoins. MakerDAO is a collateral-backed, decentralized stablecoin, the blue chip for what it does. But then again, there's always been that question, is MakerDAO that decentralized, or to what degree? Because sometimes it feels like it isn't, because they make decisions which proves that. Well, the news is this, MakerDAO making moves once again into DeFi. Decentralized stablecoin DAI is changing the way we DeFi, and it's a little bit complicated. The way that I understand this story is that MakerDAO is allowing you to use Ethereum as collateral for the MakerDAO ecosystem for their stablecoin, and you can even stake your Ethereum while it's being used as collateral. As I get to understand this story more, I'm going to keep updating you on what's going on at MakerDAO. In other news, Solana hits all-time high of $260. Solana set another all-time high this weekend. I mean, almost all of the Ethereum interoperators and competitors, eGold, Polkadot, they're all setting all-time highs, as we went over a few days ago. For Solana specifically, their NFT ecosystem is one of the best in the game. As the Solana ecosystem continues to expand, NFTs on Solana have seen formidable growth. Total NFT secondary sales volume on Solana has officially reached $500 million, doing so in just 3 months. Pretty cool. I do want to take 60 seconds to thank our sponsor, and my question for you is, have you gotten your Bitcoin back credit card yet? This is a great credit card. You can earn an unlimited 1.5% back in Bitcoin on every purchase. Use the link in the description, blockfi.com/altcoindailycc. It's, in my opinion, the best in the game. It differentiates itself in a big way. No annual fee. No foreign transaction fees. You can see if you're pre-approved with no impact on your credit score. BlockFi.com/altcoindailycc. Use the link in the description. One card, more Bitcoin. Every single purchase you make, Chipotle, McDonald's, groceries, a couch, an apartment, whatever you're paying for, 1.5% back on every purchase. Your first 3 months, 3.5% back. For all big purchases, 2% back forever. And if you're trading in your BlockFi account, 0.25% on all eligible trades. I like this card. Many people like this card. This is a conversation starter. This is how you get the ladies. This is how you get the guys. This is cool. BlockFi.com/altcoindailycc. Get the card. Like the card. Yes. And then for some Chainlink news, looks like the first Chainlink call options were purchased today. This is a huge milestone for DeFi, as traders now have access to the first ever ultra liquid decentralized link options. Huge congrats to Premium Finance for making this possible. Bitcoin looking like it's going to have its highest weekly close ever. Ethereum switching to the week chart, looking like it's going to have its highest weekly close ever. This is what we've been talking about on this channel forever. It's happening, guys. Great time to be in crypto. See you tomorrow.